Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss multi-line string. In this, see the program print hello, next line everyone. Save the file, then execute. See the output hello and everyone. New line is not coming here. To do this, we have to give /n and everyone. After that, everyone in one single print statement. Now save that and execute. See the output. Hello and everyone is in next line. To give more lines, you have to use /n more times. Check it. /n 2 times, 2 line gap. Save the file and execute. 2 line. /n means new line. See here. If you ask Python to evaluate the string containing new line character, you will just get the embedded new line representation. Back again. Means /n works with the print statement. See the output. Inside the print statement, we are getting the output. Now the concept is file handling in Python. In this program, print a file to the screen. After that, define the main. In third statement, inputting the file. Next, open statement. Today our concept open operation. What is this open operation? See the syntax. Open operation returns the file object which has a read method for reading the content. Open operation contains the read method. See the read. Next, file object syntax is file object is equal to open. Inside this, file name, f name, this is the file name, and r is the mode. You can use r mode, a for append, w for write, x for create, rb for binary and read only, r plus for read plus write. Now let's execute this program. See the program here. See, this is in R mode. Enter the file name. It prompts to enter the file name. My file name is dtime, date and time. See this? This is the file. To read mode. By default, the mode is read mode only. See, I'll remove this mode and after that execute. Then the output is same file. No difference between R and pair mode. Next, see here. Inside read, 2 I give. Next, execute that. It returns only 2 characters. Reading only 2 characters. Next one, read line. This method returns only one line from the file. Read line returns, see this, change, read line. It returns only one line from the file. It controls the line. Inside this, I will give 4. Then it returns only 4 bytes. To print all the line, otherwise some specific line, we have to give the for operation. For loop, range inside the range, number of lines you have to give. Then colon. indentation, save the file and execute. It retrieves only 2 lines. Let's continue with how to put data into the file. First statement, out file is equal to open. Inside the open, 2 parameters you have to pass. First one is the file name, second one is mode. Here we are using the write mode. Next, count statement. I initialized one value 1 to count. After that, write inside the n text. I am going to write, this is the first line. Second line is, this is the line %d. %d means int type. I am taking the count, that is int type. Next one is close the file. After that, writing all this statement, we have to read this. So read statement, 2 statement I will give. Let's start with the program. Save the file. Execute. See this. New n file. Inside these 2 statements. First line and second line. Next, A. Append. It create file if the specified file does not exist. Appending the file. After changing the A, the file is appended into 4 lines. Next one is X. Create a file, return an error if the file exists. X means create. Already n file is there, so it gives the file exist. Next one is write. If there is file, will overwrite any existing content. W. Again I am going to type W, write mode. Inside this, overwrite. Only new 2 lines. Okay. Thank you.